Hello, I'm Amol, and this is Project 2B of CS50's Introduction to Artificial Intelligence. This is Heredity, and it is an algorithm that calculates the possibility of the presence or absence of specific traits appearing in a child given the genes in its parents. The gene in particular has two different types, and a person can possess 0, 1, or 2 copies of the gene. And the more genes a person possesses, the more likely they are to pass it on. Let's see the code in action. There are three different datasets that are provided to us by CS50 for testing the algorithm. Let's see one of them. So here it is, name, mother, father, and trait. If someone doesn't have a mother or father, then we calculate the possibility of them having the gene using the probability provided on the top of the program. But those who do not have parents in the dataset have traits, but those who have parents do not have the traits, and that is what we have to calculate. This is family 0. As you can see here, Harry, who has parents in the dataset, has a chance of 0.2651 of getting the trait and 0.7349 of not getting the trait. This is just 73% and 26%. But for James and Lily, who already have their traits on the dataset, we have only calculated the chance of them having or not having the genes. Here's family 1. And here is family 2. The algorithm uses conditional probability, where it generates the value of every possibility of genes and traits and adds them to the appropriate values in the distribution. Alright, this is Heredity, CS50 AI Project 2B. Thanks for watching.